super healthy and amazingly delicious chicken salad. Okay, we're gonna start by cutting the avocado into dice and adding it to the bowl. It's the last part because we're gonna make chicken salad sandwich for 4. And this is gonna be ready in 1 minute. So we're gonna place the avocado and the cilantro in the bowl. We are going to add 4 tablespoons or a quarter of a cup yogurt, Greek yogurt, to our avocado and cilantro. And just to flavor it, you can add lime, salt, and pepper, but I am going to add a couple of tablespoons of my delicious Italian dressing. And this we're going to mix with the chicken. And that's all we need for our chicken salad sandwich. In my hands. And there it goes. Oh, this is delicious. This is so good. Now all we have to do now is add our shredded chicken that you have from my recipe and that you could have had frozen, or today can be the day that you make a lot of shredded chicken. You can make shredded chicken for the month in about 1 hour, not more than that. And we mix this, and this is our delicious chicken salad sandwich, which we can use. We're gonna put it on top of the ends of bread. Sometimes we think that the ends of bread are not good, but they are amazing for something like this because they hold and they do not break. And we add the chicken salad here. We've previously placed it into the oven, and we add the chicken salad, and it's not going to break in like another piece of bread can. So we don't make waste with our food, and we prepare a great chicken salad sandwich that is super healthy and delicious at the same time. Let's cut it in half so you can take a look at it in the center. Isn't this perfect? This is great for you, for the family. Even if you have people at home that you've invited, you can make it in tiny pieces of bread or in pita and prepare this in no time. Okay, so now we're gonna try our chicken salad sandwich in a picnic with some wine and an apple. It is delicious. And the fact that we're using the ends of the bread is great because it holds up, nothing comes out of your mouth.